Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login8, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to access draft posts on Facebook. So first of all, launch Facebook app on your mobile devices. Once you come here, make sure that you are logged on to your Facebook account. Now on top you'll see a section that says what's on your mind. So in order to create a post, simply tap on it. For instance, I'm going to type this and then select a background, and then at the top left corner you can see an arrow. If you tap on it, you'll see various options here. On top you'll see the option of save as draft. Tap on it. Now your post has been saved on draft. So if you have saved a post as draft, you would be getting a notification from Facebook. So as I had already saved another post as a draft before, we would have to go to the notification section at the top right corner. Now over here, you'll see a notification of Facebook that says you have a draft saved. If you tap on it, you'll see other drafts that I have saved as well. Make sure that you edit your draft before 3 days, or else Facebook will delete it. So if you tap on one of these drafts, you will be able to access it. One thing you have to note down is that Facebook will be sending you notification of your saved drafts once only. So make sure that you check that notification from the notification section on your Facebook account. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.